Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would replace your window door switches, these for the windows to go up and down, as well as the door lock and the mirror switch. It's all one switch. So we're going to go how you replace that in case you're having issues where your windows won't go up and down. A lot of times these rockers will wear out, and then when you push it down it'll either stay down or the whole things will pop off. And so if you've determined that this is what is going to be your issue between that or other components as well as a fuse, then we'll go over how you replace this. So to start with, you'll need to be down here at the bottom. You get some type of tool in there and be able to pull that up. And once you pull it up, you can pull it backwards. We want to make sure we don't bust off the tab on the top. And then once we have it out, we can squeeze these connectors to undo them. And then you'll need to separate this from this decorative piece. There we go. We'll unhook the whole piece and be able to get a new one to replace this. And then when you've got your new one, you go back through the process of just lining this up through here with our tabs inside here. Snap it together. Once that's snapped together and installed there securely, then you're just going to want to reconnect the electric connectors by snapping them together until they lock in. Start the top with the top tab in first, and then able to press it forward and press it down to lock that into place. And so that's how you replace your interior door switches on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.